Alright guys, today I'll be showing you how to track your shipments on our AfricanIES app. So if you have not downloaded our app yet, now is the perfect time to do so. So all you just need to do is download, go to our App Store or Google Play Store and type in African IES and you will have it on your device in seconds. So and the app is very easy to navigate, completely stress-free, and just designed to give you the best shipping experience. So let's dive into the steps to track your shipment, and then we're good to go. So all you just need to do is after you've logged in on your account and you're on your dashboard as you're seeing right now. So you go to shipment, you click on shipment, then you already have a shipment that you have been paid that has been paid for already. So just move straight to the right section where you see action. Click on the three bars here and select. So as soon as you do that, you're going to see your shipment number and your unit number, the tracking ID, the estimated time of arrival based on the shipping method you selected, then the date payment was made, and the shipping method, delivery address, the total value, and the weight of your item. Then you're going to see your shipment history. So this is where you see your status updates as it's updated. So right now your shipment has been confirmed because you made payment. The next update is for it to be shipped out from the United States to Nigeria. So as you can see, this has not been updated yet, but once it leaves, an update will be done here, and you can see it. And same update will be forwarded to you via email. Same thing goes to when it arrives at the Lagos airport, arrives at destination facility in Lagos, and also dispatched your destination address in Nigeria. So, and when it's delivered, you also get an update that it has been delivered. So, you don't have to worry to contact customer service to get an update. All you just need to do is go to your shipment, select track shipment, and you are good to go. And you can also see the box details, what you have inside the box and their value, the sender and the receiver's details. So all these things are packaged for you to give you the best shipping experience. And we are looking forward to continue to handle your shipping needs. If you have any question, please let me know. Thank you.